What's going on, guys? Sebastian Escueda. My bad that I haven't posted for the past few days, but there's a good reason for that. So in this video, I'm going to walk through a great marketing strategy if you're running a dropshipping store or just a brand in general to generate a ton of revenue without spending a crazy amount of money. I made a video on this maybe like a week ago, but I didn't go really in depth on this, and I want to go in depth because it's very, very, very valuable for you guys. The reason I'm bringing it up, it's going to be with TikTok influencers. The reason I'm bringing it up is I'm now working on a challenge video for you guys where basically I find a product, film myself finding a product, film myself creating a website, and then running influencer promotions on TikTok. That is going to involve me shipping out products to TikTokers, and I'm realizing how cheap the influencers are. So for example, here's one reference. I'm working with a 130,000 follower page. I'm paying them $15 for a post, $15. And my product sell point is $55. So that means I basically have to make like 1 or 2 sales, and I'm very profitable. Anything after that is just mad bread and butter, which is dope. That's what we like to see. So in this video, I'm just going to go over exactly how I'm finding these influencers, how you can too, and how you can contact them and get into touch with them, and then how to make it feel like they're getting massive value from you, and then also that you're getting massive value from them. That's the benefit of using influencers when you have it in their head where they think that they're getting such a great deal, but you also think that too. So when both of the parties kind of like are satisfied with the deal, that's where you have some good long-term potential business partner, not partners, but business promoters that can promote your brand. So we're just going to get straight into exactly how you can set this up, because it's kind of foreign to people. People don't know how to contact them, how to find the right pages and all that stuff. So we're going to do that. We're going to go over that right now. I'm going to preface this video. I just got back from the gym, so I may look a little sweaty. I haven't showered yet. I'm going to right after I film this, but I just wanted to crank this video out because, again, haven't posted in a few days. I am working on that big video, and I will put that out probably in the next few days to maybe a week. So look forward to that. But yeah, let's now get into it. Why TikTok influencers? TikTok influencer pages are basically what I'm referring to is just a page ran by someone who grew their page heavily and didn't actually wasn't anyone before that. So that's why it's valuable. They are just normal people who run a TikTok page and post good content, and then normal TikTok users just follow them. It's great because you find people that aren't making a lot of money that you can capitalize on, and you can make a shit ton of money with them. So for myself, I'm looking for pages from 100,000 followers all the way up to 600,000, up to 1 million even. After 1 million though, they kind of know their worth, or they're partnered with a marketing agency or a management company or something to where they have the management company set prices, and normally they're too pricey to work with. So that's why I look for normally under 1 million. I'd contact everyone though, because you never really know. Sometimes I'll contact people and they ask for way too much money, and then sometimes I contact them and they're like, I'll do it for $10. And I'm like, hell yeah. Reminds me literally of my Instagram influencer days when I first started dropshipping. Paid someone $7 and generated me 800 in a day, which was dope. But that's literally what I'm seeing in comparison to now in the past with cheap Instagram influencers. TikTok influencers are the same thing. Here's the thing though, you can't have them just post a video that you made. You have to send them the product, which is why there are only a select few products that you can actually run on TikTok, because you need a US supplier to get the product to the influencer quickly. Or what you can do is try to find the product on Amazon. I hunted for the product that I did in the case or the challenge video that I'm going to be putting out in a few days. I hunted for that product and I couldn't find it on Amazon with next day shipping. So I had to actually find a US supplier from AliExpress and order the product to them. They're getting it in the next week though, so that's going to be awesome. But you're probably wondering okay, cool. Yeah, I get what TikTok influencers are, but how do I contact them? Because on TikTok, in order for you to message someone, they actually have to follow you back, or else they won't be able to read your messages, which just sucks because that makes it hard to contact them. But one thing that I found to work is, so for myself, I think last night I contacted maybe 7 to 10 influencers on TikTok. I contacted 10 of them, and I think maybe 3 replied. So that was that was a pretty good reply rate. It was 30%, and all the pages were 100,000 to around 600,000 followers. And these are all girl pages or girl TikTokers with 100,000 to I think 600,000 followers, which is cool because most girls don't reply to guys when they DM them. For me, what I'm doing, I'm DMing them on my personal page. You know, number one, I have a cool username, so I think that is one part of like why they check my DM, because it's 3 letters. So I think that's one reason. Number two, when I DM them, I make it sound very, very enticing. I say promotion inquiries or price for promotions, question mark. Hey, I own and then I link the website to make sure I have credibility. I own this company, and I'm wondering if you are willing to promote our product. We will ship you one out, and we were wondering, you know, how much we would have to pay you to promote the product. Thanks, let me know. I keep it simple. I don't want them to have to read a Harry Potter novel and then like think and digest the text and see exactly what I'm asking. Like I'm straight to the point, because they don't really like, they're not trying to have a big conversation with you, because they literally just want to know what the product is, how much you're going to pay them, and then that's kind of it. Like, if I'm being honest, most influencers only care about that. So that's what I do. And then right after I send the DM, I also will comment on their most recent pic. I'll say, hey, check DM, promo inquiry, or something like that. And normally it works. Like, they like the comment and then they reply to me, which is dope. So that is my little strategy for how I'm contacting them. And then one thing that I should note is a lot of influencers don't do promotions, so they don't exactly know how much they should charge. So a strategy I used last night was, someone was DMing me and they're like, you know, yeah, well, we're willing to promote it, blah, blah, blah. So would you like ship us the product? And I was like, yeah, so basically we'll ship it to you and then you'll film a video like this. So what will you charge us? And she was like, hey, well, we have our set rates with, I think she was lying. I think she didn't know what to charge. She was like, well, you know, we have our set rate, but we're just curious like what other people are charging for promotions. And I think this was, again, just her trying to figure out what people charge so she could know what to charge. So I basically told her, because this was honest, I have another brand that I sent an influencer 3 products, and then on top of that, $150, or no, I think it was $200, but for TikTok, it was $150. And I told her, I was like, hey, well, you know, I'm working with a page who has around 600,000 followers, and I paid him $150, plus I sent him a product or 2. So that is a reference, you know, for you, for what we're paying influencers right now. And she's like, okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we do $15 posts. And I was like, hell yeah. So that's great that I'm able to do that for $15. So definitely use that type of reference. Like, if people ask, well, you know, how much are you normally charging? Copy the message I just said, like, you know, we're working with a 500,000 follower page and we're paying them like $100 or something like that. So in their head, psychologically, they're like, well, we can't ask for 100 because a 500,000 follower page is asking for 100. So we'll do like $20 or something like that. And then, you know, as we grow, we'll charge more. That's what will go on in their head. And that's where you can make a lot of money working with them. Another thing I want to recommend, by the way, I'm running TikTok influencers for my not personal brand, but a brand I personally own, like a company that's an e-com store, and I have US inventory, and I am doing tons of promotions with this product. And I'm not doing it traditionally where, oh, yo, guys, just got this product. Like, that's not what the video is like. The video is in a style where it's like, yo, guys, just got this product. Like, how dope is it? Blah, 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 blah. Get it from, shop.dopeshit.com. I'm not doing ads like that. I'm basically doing it. Here's an example, okay? If I have a clothing brand and it's a cool t-shirt, okay? Like, I don't know, this is a fitness t-shirt, and I'm selling a t-shirt and I send it to someone, I'm not going to tell them to film a video and say, yo guys, check out this t-shirt, got it from dopeshit.com. That's not how I'm marketing on TikTok, because that doesn't go viral. I've understood that TikTok videos go viral because of the content. Sorry, I'm getting text messages. TikTok videos go viral because of the content. So how I'm doing it is I'm sending the influencer, let's say I'm selling a t-shirt. I'm not selling t-shirts. Let's say I send them a t-shirt and say, hey, you know, make normal TikToks, just do your same shit and film the videos in my shirt that I'm sending you. And then when people ask like, OMG, where did that shirt come from? Where did you get it? Just reply and say, hey, we got it from, or I got it from this website, blah, blah, blah. That's it. Simple, organic looking. It doesn't look like he's trying to sell you. That's where people will start buying, because you aren't looking like, the influencer, number one, isn't looking like a sellout. And number two, if people actually want the product, they will comment and be like, oh my God, where'd you get this? And then that's when you comment, you have the influencer comment back. So that's basically the strategy that I'm doing. It's a very valuable method. It's not really tapped into. I've seen some companies make similar videos. Like for myself, I saw this card game where people like do it with their friends and play the card game. And it looks funny. It's a funny looking game, and it's not looking funny, but it's a funny game. So when people see it on TikTok, they just like it, and then they're like, oh, that's a cool game. I'd love to play that with my family. This happened to me, and then I ordered the game literally and played it with my family. So in videos like this that are just looking organic and looking like someone's just using the product in their everyday life, that's where you will have the viral potential on TikTok. But if you do traditional, like, yo guys, got this product from shopbadassstuff.com, you're not going to get viral content on TikTok. I'm just being honest. But that is my recommendation for you guys, to get cheap promotions. So if you have like $100, if you have $200, you can definitely do this. I was on a phone call yesterday with someone who I've worked with in the past. He does some of my content for me for my stores. And I was telling him, I was like, dude, there's some freaking profitable things that you can do on TikTok. And I explained him these strategies, and I think they're very valuable. So if you're willing to take action, go hard with this method. Try it out. TikTok influencers, again, very undervalued. And if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button below, because I have a seriously sick video coming out in, I would say, a week, because I still have to get the influencer to ship the product, or I ship the product to them. Now they have to get it and still film the TikTok video and then promote it, and then I'll see how much I made. So until then, I'm not going to post it. I'm just going to go on with my normal content. But I'm excited for that video to come out. It's definitely going to be a banger. So look forward to that. And other than that, if you have any questions or recommendations, or just want to say what's up, drop those in the comment section below. And if you haven't liked the video already, be sure to smash that like button, or else I will have to send a helicopter to your house, and they will throw eggs off of the helicopter onto your roof, and it's just not going to be a pleasant sight. So be sure to smash the like button unless you want eggs on your house. Yeah, other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. By the way, I'm not going to be posting every single day. I'm actually going to start making longer content, maybe like once or twice a week, because I like making those videos more, like 24-hour challenge video. That was so fun to make. This TikTok challenge video, it's so fun to make. Way more fun than just sitting in front of a camera like, yo guys, do this. Like, I like getting hands-on and showing you guys exactly what to do. That's way more fun for me, and you guys actually enjoy that content way more. So that's kind of how my channel is going to start shifting. Way longer videos that are more in-depth, more so like challenge videos with dropshipping, because that's where I have a lot of fun filming. It's very interesting to see, because then it challenges myself, and I personally don't know any of the outcomes. So I'm genuinely always curious, like how they perform, how the challenges go, right as I'm making them, and then you guys also get to enjoy the content and learn from that. So that's what type of content I'm gonna gradually start shifting to. I still will be making these types of videos, but a lot of them now in the near future are going to be longer videos that I do something crazy with dropshipping, or like try a new way crazy method, or like try to scale with Facebook ads, or try to scale with TikTok ads or Snapchat ads, or something random. I'm gonna start doing more of this stuff because it's very fun and I have a good time doing it. But again, hope you guys did enjoy. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.